Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com, and today we're going to take a look at how to change your Windows 11 mouse pointer size, style, and color. Really easy to do, as you can see by our tutorial here in the background. Let's walk you through it. We're going to go to Start, and then we're going to click on Settings, and then we're going to look on the left for Accessibility, right here. And now that you're there, just look for mouse pointer and touch. As you can see, we're at the default here, which is a white cursor. So go ahead and click on black, and here's the beauty of it. You can move around, and what you do on a normal basis, just kind of see if you like the black, for example. Inverted, which kind of flips the colors. Kind of a neat one. And just, again, move it around, see what you like. And then, of course, we have custom. Now, custom gives you a choice of, and that's just kind of my opinion, 7 kind of lousy colors, but a simple click lets you try them. These are pretty bold colors. Even the gold is pretty bold. Felt like rhyming. Yellow. Who would want yellow? Look at this against this horrible background website. I know, I'm just kidding. We know our design sucks. All right, let's choose another color. Now you can do custom. And again, it's going to do it live. Blue. You'd have to click Done for it to apply there, which makes it a little more difficult. So we're assuming if you decide to choose another color that you already know what you want, because you're not going to be able to test it live. Once you get into the blues like you are here, now you can slide this around and really kind of get it where you want it. Same with any other spot on here. Let's say light yellow. As you can see, once again, you can slide it around and look right here to see what the color is going to look like, and right here to see what your color currently is. We'll see how they work side by side. That's kind of neat. Now, you may not see it. That's okay. Scroll down a hair. See more? Here's where you can put in a custom color if you have it. Very familiar mostly to photographers and web developers, but if you have a custom color you found on the internet, you can type it in here or change your RGB red, green, blue. Click Cancel to get back out of it. And again, just remember, just come right back to here at any point to forget everything you did. Now for the next one. Let's do size. Now size is kind of weird. You can get pretty ridiculously large on it, which is okay if you have vision problems. But for most of us, maybe just a slightly larger mouse cursor. See it moving? So you might just want to go to 2. It doesn't seem like much, but see how small it is? Just that one little bit really brings it out. And of course 3, and then of course ridiculous level of 15. Ooh, look at that. I mean, that you can see. I'll give them that. It's kind of awkward for me to even point at anything. It's so big. So again, I'm kind of a fan of, if you find your mouse cursor a little small right there, which it is, and maybe you're just used to it, you don't have to be stuck with it. Just go to 2, and you can just kind of see it just kind of pops a little bit more. The black outline shines up a little bit more, as you can see, than there. And I kind of like number 2. I might even leave it there. That still, in my opinion, makes it usable without being ridiculous. Now, while we're here, that's pretty much everything. There's some touch settings down below, and if you want to change, which is important, your mouse pointer speed, primary button scrolling, you might want to change that now, just depending on what size you use. Perhaps you want to scroll more. Perhaps you want a mouse pointer speed. Maybe you work the 2 together. There you have it. Text cursor. Once again, you can move stuff around and just kind of see what you like. You'd have to turn it on. Sorry. And if you change your mind, once again, you can cancel. But you can do your thickness. Not too popular, but I don't see a reset here, but you can turn it off if you didn't want it. And that's about it. And there you go. So that gives you a nice way to, if you're, and most of us are, using your mouse a lot, to really get things to work the way you want them. If you need any help, this link is in the video description if you want to follow along. I don't think you need it, simply because this is pretty easy to do. And there you have it. That's how you can change your mouse pointer size, style, color in Windows 11. As always, bottom right corner is subscribe. Thanks for watching, as always. See ya.